Hello everyone, welcome to Solely Science. Today we will derive the equation of continuity by a very simple method. Consider a surface S is enclosing a volume V, J is the current density and charge Q is flowing through it. So the current can be given as I is equal to dQ by dt. Now as we know, Q is nothing but the integral of the charge density rho dV. So Q can be replaced as I is equal to d by dt of rho dV. Put this as equation 1. Now by the principle of conservation of charge, if net amount of current is flowing out, then the charge within the volume should decrease. So the decrease in charge is given as I is equal to minus dQ by dt. Now we also know that I is the surface integral of J dot ds. J is my current density. Put this as equation 2. Now on equating both this equation, we will get minus dQ by dt to be equal to surface integral of J dot ds. So surface integral of J dot ds is equal to minus of d by dt of Q can be written as integral of rho dV. So integral of rho dV. Now d by dt of rho dV can be written as dB by dT of rho dV. This in equation 3. Surface integral of J dot ds is equal to minus dou by dt of rho dV. This can be written as minus volume integral of dou rho by dt dV. And here I am having J dot ds. Now by Gauss divergence theorem, the Gauss divergence theorem is used to convert surface integral to volume and vice versa. So the surface integral of J dot ds can be written as volume integral of del dot J dV. Thus I can write volume integral of del dot J dV is equal to minus of volume integral of dou rho by dou t dV. Take this on the other side. So volume integral of del dot J dV plus volume integral of dou rho by dou t dV equals to 0. Take volume integral common. So del dot J plus dou rho by dou t dV is equal to 0. This means del dot J plus dou rho by dou t equals to 0, and this can be written as del dot J is equal to minus dou rho by dou t, and this is nothing but my equation of continuity. So in this way we have derived the equation of continuity. Now if we will say that the charges are stationary, it is stationary charges, then the charge density rho would be equal to constant, and the derivative of a constant equals to 0. So my del dot J would be equal to 0. This is the case for stationary charges, and this is my equation of continuity. I hope you understood this derivation. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Solely Science.